In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Mozilla Firefox browser with password. Protecting your privacy while browsing the internet is more important than ever. If you use Mozilla Firefox to save passwords, store bookmarks, or keep a record of your browsing history, you may want to prevent other people from accessing that information. While Firefox does not include a built-in feature that locks the entire browser with a password, there are several effective ways to add an extra layer of protection. In this video, I'll show you how to secure Firefox using its built-in security options, browser extensions, and your computer's user account protections. Locking Firefox with a password can help keep personal information safe from unauthorized access. This is especially useful if you share your computer with family members, friends, classmates, or coworkers. By taking a few minutes to configure these settings, you can make sure that sensitive data remains private and accessible only to authorized users. To get started, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox is open, head over to the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking the three horizontal lines located in the upper right corner of the browser window. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access Firefox's configuration options. Inside the Settings page, navigate to the Passwords section. Here you'll find an important security feature known as the primary password. This feature helps protect saved passwords and other sensitive browser data. Set up a primary password by following the prompts provided by Firefox. Once configured, Firefox will require this password before allowing access to protected information. This adds a valuable layer of security and helps ensure that only authorized users can view your saved credentials and related data. Another option is to use a browser extension designed for password protection. Open the Extensions section in Firefox and search for password protection extensions. You'll find several available options that can help add additional security features to the browser. Review the available choices and select the extension that best meets your needs. You can also increase security by setting a password on your computer account. This provides another level of protection by preventing unauthorized users from accessing your Windows user profile and the Firefox browser stored within it. By using Firefox's primary password feature, browser extensions, or your computer's built-in account protections, you can significantly improve your privacy and keep your personal information secure. Taking these simple precautions can help prevent unauthorized access and give you greater peace of mind while using Firefox. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,